Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. Today we are using this really pretty kit by Nikki Plus Three. It is her In Bloom kit. So it's absolutely like a quintessential springtime kit with these really pretty pinks, peaches, and then like two different tones of green. This is Nikki's like previous kit format, but I still do really love it. Super foiled as with all of our kits and super florally. And sorry if you hear Archie walking around and like jingling his collar and that stuff. But oh, yep, and shaking. But yeah, let's get into planning the spread. Oh my God, now he is drinking water. Great. Sorry if you hear that, but you know, that's life with a dog. Okay, so this I am planning the week of March 22nd to the 28th, and this is the last week that we spent in our apartment. Oh my God, are you done drinking, bro? Yeah, this was our last week in our apartment, and basically the week that we spent all of this week trying to pack and get ready for our move. We had the mover scheduled for March 29th, which is the Monday after this week. So it was super hectic as far as packing and making sure we had everything ready for the movers on Monday. But then as far as like plans for the week, it's not so interesting because I noticed when I went to plan that I didn't really mark a lot of things in my planner for this week, unfortunately. So like for example, the only thing that I marked on Saturday was packing. So I kind of had to like figure out things to mark, but for the most part, yeah, like the plans this week are quite like repetitive. I worked, I packed, I had How I Met Your Mother running in the background while packing. So yeah, as far as like the plans for this week, they're not super interesting, but the spread came out really super beautiful. Like I pulled in, let me just talk about the sidebar real quick. I pulled in some floral deco from Letters from Ballet, and I think they matched really beautifully with the florals in Nikki Plus Three's kits. And then let me see. So then I also pulled in a March script from Lilac Luna. No, whoa, that is from Sticky Sloth Design. Sorry about that. And then that swoosh that I layered with the floral header in the sidebar, that is from Ruby J Designs, and I really love that. I pulled in a few flourishes or swooshies from her shop throughout the spread. Okay, on Monday, I marked work with a flag from Clever Gal Crafts. I feel like, I just wanted to bring back those flags. Those are the mini drizzle dots, and I haven't used that type of flag in quite a while. And hold on, Archie's chewing something. Okay, sorry, I'm back. So I used those flags to mark work every single day, and I'm gonna replace that bow with my favorite laptop icon ever from Planning World. Underneath that, I marked that we went to get takeout from our favorite Thai place in town. I used a gold foiled circle doily from Melissa's Craft Shop, which is absolutely stunning and beautiful. I paired that with a noodle icon from Crafts by Towie. One thing that we made a point to do this week was try to get takeout from all of our favorite places, because after we moved we wouldn't be able to do that as easily. So that was definitely a fun yummy week, though I guess I didn't mark all the places that we went to, but anyway. Okay, so here I'm just putting in, I realized that I had forgotten that the kit came with some florals, so I pulled up that arrow so that I can put in a floral and behind the Cross by Towie icon. Really love how that turned out. Yeah, let me, I'm gonna try to summarize like the stickers that I used this week, just because again, the plans aren't very exciting, and I think I will just do a Q&A for most of the video. I asked for some questions a while back and I never got around to answering them in a video, and I just figured since the plans weren't very interesting this week, I'll just get to them now. I did want to point out this combination of stickers with the Sweet Bellow XOXO half scallop circle and the Pretty Pink Co flourish layered on top of that. I got that idea from Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. I think she did that in a recent video. I think you guys might know, or I've mentioned her in previous videos, but she was definitely one of my very first planner YouTubers that I followed and got inspired by. So okay, then yeah, I think that's kind of it for most of the stickers, I would say. I used a lot of the same stickers going out throughout the week. So, you know, what else did I not mention? Probably just the White Deer stationery icons, some little deco pieces from Honey Inked, and I pulled in a few icons from Paper Blush Bar. But yeah, if you have any specific questions, you can ask and I will answer them in the comments. But anyway, okay, so let's just get on to the Q&A. Okay, so first are some questions from Diana from Memories That Stick. She is absolutely gorgeous and just the sweetest person ever. So Diana asked, what is one thing you wish you did more of and one thing that you did less of? So for the more of, I wish I cleaned more and I wish that I explored more in like my daily life, I guess, or my daily, or not daily, but like my normal life. I feel like I personally love to travel, and I feel like that's typically when I'll do like my most exploring, when I'm in a different place or a different country, different state, where I'm in kind of the mindset that I'm exploring. But I wish I explored more of like my state and my area, like just on a normal weekend, just go, you know, hiking, you know, see a new place, that type of thing. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like in my like daily normal life, I kind of just get stuck in the routine of it all, and I don't take advantage of, you know, the free time that I might have to, you know, go to a new place like that's not too far away. And one thing that I wish I did less of, definitely social media. I really, and like mindlessly scrolling on my phone, I really, really, really need to do much, much less of that. And then Diana's next question is, do you do one big grocery trip or several small ones throughout the week? I am definitely, historically, I've always been someone to do a huge grocery trip once a week or once every 2 weeks and just get everything that we could possibly need. But I think, especially more recently, I'm trying to be better about doing the smaller trips so that we can get, you know, like more fresh like produce and herbs, which like obviously they don't last very long. So I'm definitely trying to get better about doing that. I feel like in the past I've been just so lazy to go anywhere, but now I'm really trying to do that more. And yeah, so and then so yeah, I would say in the past, yes, one big grocery trip, but nowadays, yeah, I'm doing a lot more of the smaller trips throughout the week. So, okay, my next question is from Amanda Yu, who is my old roommate who I love, and she got me into planning or like sticker planning initially, but she asked, do you miss planning on the Bouch? And if you have not heard from a previous video of mine, the Bouch is what we called a bed couch that sat in the back of our living room, and absolutely I miss planning on the Bouch with you. Okay, next question is from Charisse. She asked, what is your favorite type of wine? Oh, and you're amazing, girl. Keep up the good work. Thank you, girl. My favorite type of wine, my favorite type of wine has always been Merlot. Anytime I go to like a restaurant or like and sorry if this sounds like, you know, like I'm on my high horse, but especially when I'm traveling, like abroad, I always get Merlot. I think when I drink at home though, I feel like I'm actually gravitate toward um like dry Rieslings just because they're a little sweeter. They're, like I don't know, I guess I don't know, a little more of a, chilling at home type of wine drink. I don't know. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but yeah, I usually will drink like a dry Riesling at home. Yeah, or Costco has these box wines that like it sounds kind of gross because they're from Costco, but they're actually pretty damn good and for a good price. So I definitely love to drink those. Okay. So it looks like that's all the time I have left for questions. I'll answer the rest of them in another video, but yeah, look at this foil shot. I'm so happy with how I used position my lights for this video, but yeah, this is the final spread. If you enjoyed watching, please remember to like and comment down below. Would love to talk to you. Please talk to me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.